Morning everyone! Welcome to our Forex Trading channel. I am Jenny from Everyday News 365. Join us for tips, strategies, and insights on the world's largest financial market. So for today's video, we will be discussing what is equity or what does equity mean. So the account equity or simply equity represents the current value of your trading account. Okay, equity is the current value of the account and fluctuates with every tick when looking at your trading platform on your screen. It is the sum of your account balance and all the unrealized profits or losses associated with your open position. Okay, so how to calculate if you have no trades? If you do not have any open position, then your equity is the same as your balance. For example, you deposited $1,000 in your trading account. Since you haven't opened any trades yet, your balance and your equity is the same. Okay? Next, how to calculate equity if you have an open trades? So, if you have an open position, your equity is the sum of your account balance and your account's floating profit or losses. So, what is your account equity when an existing trade is losing? Okay. For example, you deposited $1,000 in your trading account, and then a famous forex trader tweets that she is shorting or he is shorting pound against the US dollar. Because he is famous, you follow what he says and go short also. Price moves immediately against you and your trade shows a floating loss of $50. So, your equity in your account is now $950. Okay? So, let's say an account equity when an existing trade is winning. So let's say an expert again tweets and he says he changed her mind. He will now go long for this pound USD. So you follow what he says and go long also. Price moves immediately in your favor and your trade shows a floating gain of $100. So the equity in your account is now 1,100. So now, what is the difference between the balance and the equity? If your account is flat or does not have any positions open, then your balance and your equity is the same. But if you do have an open position, this is when the balance and equity differ. So the balance reflects your profit or loss from closed position, while the equity reflects the real-time calculation of your profit or loss. The equity takes into account both open and closed positions. So, equity takes into account both open and closed position. This means that when you're looking at your balance, it is not the actual real-time amount of your funds. Since equity includes current profits or losses from open trades, it is equity that shows the real-time amount of your funds. It's possible to have a large balance but very small equity. This happens when your open position have a large unrealized losses. So for example, if your balance is $1,000 and you have an open trade that has a floating loss of $900, then your equity would be only $100. Okay, so if you like this video and you think it helps you, please like this video, and if you still want to know other details about Forex, please subscribe on our YouTube channel or click the notification bell.